A program aimed to help people living in Duval County avoid eviction has been renewed. First Coast News is the first to report the Jacksonville Eviction Diversion Program will serve the community for another 2 years. In this exclusive interview, I spoke with a Jacksonville woman who says this program changed her life.
I felt lost. I felt defeated. I felt that there was no hope.
When Shamika Bell lost her job back in February, she didn't know where to turn.
You just feel stuck. You get depressed. You just don't want to move forward.
Bell started picking up part-time work to provide for her 3 kids, but it wasn't enough to cover rent. She became behind on payments and late fees started adding up.
I was never able to keep up. And even if I did pay the rent, I had an additional $300 to $400 of just late fees.
Bell says it was a daily struggle, wondering how she was going to make ends meet for her family. But then her landlord approached her about Jacksonville's Eviction Diversion Program. It was created at the end of 2023 after the city saw more than 14,000 evictions for the year, an increase of 124% since before 2020, according to data from the Eviction Lab. Colleen Rodriguez is the CEO of the LJD Jewish Family and Community Services. Her organization is the main facilitator for the program.
But there's always that one-off, that unexpected medical bill, that loss of a job. Families that have been working and living in their homes and paying their rent for years, they have that one circumstance that hits them. How can we intervene at that point to help them prevent getting an eviction?
Rodriguez says there are about 1,100 evictions filed in Duval County each month. Their goal is to bring that number down and prevent people from having to leave their homes.
The ability and the availability of affordable housing is still tight in our Jacksonville market. You talk about children in the home. Every time a family moves, they have to change schools. We're trying to build community. People feel community where they live, and to have to move every 6 or so months is not conducive to stability.
The program has been renewed for another 2 years with $2 million in funding. Since March, it's been able to help more than 150 families, like Bell's. She was able to repay her landlord and find a new place to stay. Bell now encourages anyone who might be in a similar position as she was to reach out for help.
It's like a huge weight has been lifted off of all of us, and it's been really amazing.
This program is also expanding to include people over 55, people who are disabled, and veterans.